blaringly obvious thing is there is no home wrap here at all. Home wrap is basically like a last resort in case water or air or anything gets past the siding. It will protect the house from all of that. You can see up here, they did it up there, and then they did it right here, but they didn't do it here. Why? I don't know. All right, home wrap. Doesn't matter the brand. This is just an extra level of protection. I'm gonna make sure I overlap the one up top. I'm gonna preferably go under this. If you think of the way water runs, it gets on top of that piece, and I have this one underneath there, then it'll run over this piece. But there was nothing there before, so anything I do here should help. I'll hold it like this, staple it. Make sure it's even, make sure I'm not hanging over. Overlapping the other piece that's there. Hopefully my knife is nice and sharp because this stuff can kind of stink to cut. Let's see. There we go. Well, let me see if I can get it up under the other Tyvek. There are some roofing nails that might prevent me from doing that. Like I said, it's not a big deal if I can't. I would prefer it that way. Yeah. There we go. So it's up under that other Tyvek. And another piece on the bottom. Go down as far as I can without showing it when I put the siding on there. Should have started from the bottom. That was silly. Think of the way water runs, Matt. I'll cut it back here so I can see my lines. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. It's okay if it's a little short. I hate these staple guns.